Hey guys, so welcome to Coding with Grace. Set up for the Mac. I just wanted to go through how we're going to do this if you have a MacBook computer. If you've installed all the software we need to start the course, then that's totally cool. Just don't pay attention to this. But Epicodus, they are the people who've made this whole course, and they use certain tools to navigate through the course. So for clarity purposes, we're going to use the tools that they use, which is the Atom text editor. We're going to use the terminal, which already comes with the Mac, so thankfully we don't have to download that. Windows computers do. And we're going to use Git, which is a version control system. Basically, it helps you keep all your files in order and allows you to go back and forth between those files at particular points in time. Think about it like you usually create a Word document, you save one version, you might change it, you have version 2. When you're coding, you can have over thousands, tens of thousands of changes, and Git just helps us to track that like really efficiently. So those are the three tools we're going to use for the Epicodus course. That's all at learnhowtoprogram.com/courses, but we'll go there in a minute. Git Ninja, obviously supplementary material about how to use Git. Git will become quite a powerful machine for us. So, to get a really good induction into Git is really important. Obviously, we're having the Hangouts on Thursdays, so be sure to click the link in the email and join the Hangout. It's going to really, really help you guys. So the command line, that's terminal. So on the Mac computer, there's something called terminal. I'll show you how to find that. But thankfully, we don't have to install a command line. With Windows computers, you do. The text editor we're going to be using is called Atom. This is kind of like your Microsoft Word, if you will, of the coding world. So this is how we write specific file types for the internet. And then we're going to set up your Git and GitHub account. So Git is something that's obviously what I explained, the version control system that's integrated into your computer. And then GitHub is its online equivalent. So it's basically like you can access this tracking system on your computer, and then say you're working at another computer, you can access it on the internet. So you've got those historical points in time. You can refer back to your code also on the internet. So it's a little bit of like cloud-based tracking for you. So let me just navigate to learnhowtoprogram.com. So you want to open your browser. I prefer to use Chrome. So I'll just type this in again. I've already got it sitting there. So it's learnhowtoprogram.com/courses. Make it easy for ourselves. And we're going into Intro to Programming Evening. This course is a lot better put together. This is exactly the same course, but it's very, very long, and getting through it is kind of unachievable. So we've gone for the Intro to Programming Evening. So if we just go into that, if my internet works. So we're getting started at Epicodus. We'll give you a little bit of information about the course and things like that. Please ignore everything you see in this whole course that says pair programming. Just ignore it. That would be great.